In our previous videos, we covered the basic sounds of the alphabet, short and long vowel sounds, as well as digraphs and consonant blends. Today, we'll arm ourselves with the most challenging combinations of letters in the English language, such as AL, AUGH, OUGH, SION, TION, TURE, SQU, silent H. These combinations, including silent H, can be a real headache, but together we'll conquer them. My name is Serhi, and on this channel, I help people learn English easily. Let's start with the letter combination AL. Typically, this combination is used when a word ends with the letter L and has a suffix at the root of the word, as seen in the words like animal or global. These combinations are usually pronounced as O. So, animal, AL, AL, O, 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 animal. Global, AL, AL, O, 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 global. In English, AL often forms the sound O. This sound can be found in words like talk and walk. So, talk, AL, AL, O, 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 talk. Walk, AL, AL, O, 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 walk. Now, let's move on to AUGH and OUGH. These combinations are a significant part of the history of English language. These letter combinations in English have various sounds due to historical reasons and the influence of other languages. These have the right sounds due to historical reasons and language influences as well. They can sound differently. In this video, we will comprehensively dissect all these sounds, but we won't dwell into minor differences between of, or of, because in casual speech, the differences are barely discernible. And at this stage, it will only confuse you further. So, AUGH and OUGH as O in words like taught, thought, and daughter. OUGH as O. OUGH, OUGH, O, thought. AUGH as O. AUGH, AUGH, O, taught. In some words in different English dialects, AUGH can sound like ah, as in the word daughter. So, AUGH, AUGH, ah, daughter. AUGH and OUGH might sound like or of in words like laugh, rough, and cuff. So, AUGH as off. AUGH, AUGH, off, laugh. OUGH as off. OUGH, OUGH, off, rough. In some words, OUGH can sound like off, as in cough. So OUGH as off. OUGH, OUGH, off, cough. Also, OUGH might sound O, as in words dough and thorough. So, dough. OUGH, OUGH, O, dough. Thorough. OUGH, OUGH, O, thorough. OUGH might sound oo, so through. OUGH, OUGH, oo, through. Boo. OUGH, OUGH, oo, boo. Now, let's move to sion and tion. While both these combinations are usually pronounced as shen, sion might also be pronounced as zhen. So, sion and tion as shen in words tension and station. Tension. Sion, shen, shen, tension. Station. Tion, tion, shin, 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 station. sion as gen in words vision and television. So vision. sion, sion, jin, 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 vision. Television. sion, sion, jin, 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 television. Next on the list is ture. This combination has the sound ch. For example, in words like picture or nature. Picture. ture, 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 picture. Nature. ture, 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 nature. Now let's talk about squ. This combination is usually pronounced as squ. For instance, in such words as square and squid. So, square. Squ, 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 square. Squid. Squ, 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 squid. Now, let's understand what a silent H is. Silent H occurs when the letter H is not pronounced in a word. Remember that this rule mostly applies to words of French origin or some ancient words. For instance, in words like hour, honor, or honest. The letter H is not pronounced in many words where it follows letter C, as in words anchor, character, chaos, or Christmas. Also, when it follows letter G, as in words ghost and ghetto, or letter R, as in words rhino and rhyme. Guys, now let's practice what we've learned today. There will be words appearing on the screen with a timer. You'll have 5 seconds to try to read the word by yourself, and after, we'll read it together. And don't worry if there will be some sounds or letter combinations that you don't know how to read. Please pay extra attention to the letter combinations that we've learned today. Here we go. Mission. Sion sounds shin in this word. Mission. Recall. Al sounds augh. Recall. Furniture. Ture here sounds ture. Furniture. Vehicle. H in this word is silent, so we don't read it and don't pronounce it. Vehicle. Tension. Sion here sounds shin. Tension. Ambition. Tion here sounds shin. Ambition. Exhaust. H in this word is silent. Exhaust. Temperature. Ture in this word sounds ture. Temperature. Caught. Augh in this word sounds augh. Caught. Those were complex letter combinations, but don't forget to practice them and remember, consistency beats talent, which means that regular practice, even if it feels slow and challenging,